What is going on, guys? My name is Nova, and today I have an explanation for my personal Commsa mod. The materials you will need to reconstruct my personal mod are 2 Commsa caps, 2 pieces of 1.5 centimeters of Dr. Grip, 2 Signo tips, and 2 Gripmatic tips, 2 sections of anti-ball grip, 1 sky blue and 1 magenta, along with 4 hoop rings, 2 Commsa back plugs, a super pirat, some black and white tape, and an X-Acto knife. Construction. So first of all, you want to take your 2 Commsa caps, and you want to drill out the top bits to like make an inverse Commsa. So I've already done that because I've already made this mod, and it should look something like this after you drill it out. Right? And then after that, you want to take your super pirat and clean it. Take the ink out. Drill or cut this bit off and then take the ink out, and then after you've cleaned it, it should look something like this, and then you cut a hole on both ends so that you can fit both of your Commsa back plugs in to the body to make like a double-sided pirat. With the tips, you want to take your Signo tips and then get like some white tape, and then see where there's the part where it's like straight and it's not like slanting into the tip shape thing. There's like a lip that you can put tape around, so like put tape around there. This is like trial and error, but you want to do it so that it is the same circumference as the Commsa cap that you build out. Yeah. So after you have taped your Signo tips, both of them, you don't need to do anything to your Gripmatic tips, these are fine. So yeah, that's all the setting up you should need to do. So yeah, so you'll take your pirat, obviously you've drilled out both sides and cleaned it with some acetone or something. You want to put in both of your Commsa back plugs. And you want to use your black tape and cut a small ring to wrap it around the center of the back. I think this is about like 0.3 centimeters. Yep. And then take your Commsa caps, fit them on both sides. You're gonna have to trial and error to find the middle of the body. Yeah, I did. I took a while. Ignore the tape cuts for now. So you'll take your Signo tips. So take one Signo tip, put it on one cap, and then put the Gripmatic tip on top of that. Now, depending on what type of Dr. Grip you use, you should, in fact, actually use 1.5 centimeters of white, but I don't have any white Dr. Grip, so I'm just gonna use the clear one and use white tape to make it look white. But if you have white Dr. Grip, then I guess don't bother. Well, it doesn't really matter what color the tape is underneath. So you just want to tape these 2 tips to the cap so that it's like an extended Commsa cap, pretty much. It's like the length extends. Right? And then you want to take a hoop ring, black hoop ring, place one on, then take your section of any ball, which color, it doesn't matter because you're doing both caps anyway, and then take your other hoop ring, place it on, and then take your Dr. Grip and then put it on top. And that's one side, and then just repeat it on the other side, basically. So again, signal tip, prismatic, then tape if you have clear Dr. Grips. If you don't, then it doesn't matter. Yeah, this Dr. Grip has like faded pink because of my anti-ball grip. It's kind of weird. And that is pretty much my personal Commsa mod. If you want to do the tape cuts, I guess just design your own tape cuts. I'm not going to explain mine because it's kind of weird, but that's like a rough idea of like how my tape cuts look. They're kind of worn out because I have been using this mod as my main for like a really long time now. So yeah, that's pretty much an explanation to my personal Commsa mod. I hope you enjoy this mod as much as I do.